Hi everyone! Extract tabs lets you pull data from several open tabs at once, as long as the pages share a similar structure. Everything ends up in a single file, so it's a handy option when you're collecting from multiple pages. If you have a lot of detail pages to extract, we'd recommend Deep Extract instead. But Extract tabs is still a great option when you just want to grab a few product detail pages from a list, or when a site's structure makes it hard to find the individual URL for each page. To use Extract tabs, start by opening each page you want to extract in its own browser tab. The easiest way is to open links in a new tab. On Windows, hold Ctrl and click a link, and on Mac, hold Command and click. There are a few other ways to do this too, and we've linked them in the video description. Of course, some websites don't support this, like this one here, where the URL stays the same even as you move between pages. In that case, right-click the current tab, choose Duplicate, and go to the page you want in the new tab. You can also duplicate a tab with a keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl-L, then Alt-Enter. On Mac, press Command-L, then Option-Return. Once all your pages are open up the Listly extension and click Extract Tabs. You'll see a small number right next to the button. That's how many of your open tabs share the same domain as the page you're on. And with this, you can preview that your tabs are ready to go. If nothing shows up, that means Listly can't extract across multiple tabs, and only the page you're on will be extracted. In that case, double-check that your open tabs are all on the same domain. Once your tabs are ready, go to the page you want to start from and click Extract Tabs. You don't have to start from the first tab you opened, but keep in mind that Listly starts from the tab you're on and moves through your tabs in order. Now, select the area you want to extract, the same way you would with Extract Part. If you're not familiar with selecting areas, you might want to check out our Extract Part tutorial first. Once you're done selecting, hit Run. Listly will then move through your open tabs one by one, collecting data as it goes. While it's running, don't close the browser window or any of the tabs. When it's done, click View Result to see what you've collected. On the result page, take a look at the data cards at the bottom to make sure you got the data you wanted. Then check the Preview Data panel to see how it's arranged. If everything looks good, click Excel to download your data. When you need to extract data from multiple pages, which feature should you use? Extract Tabs is ideal when you want to quickly extract multiple pages that you've selected yourself. If you want to scrape a bunch of detail pages linked from a list all at once, go with Deep Extract instead. And if you've got a lot of pages to collect, or you need to pull fresh data on a schedule, try Group Extraction, which is available on the business plan. And that's pretty much it for how Extract Tabs works in Listly. Thanks for watching.